We've discussed in the presentation slides that the security testing, how important is security testing, and so the tool we've used to for security testing in our software under testing, that is cdkeys.com. So the tool that we've used is ZAP, and it's basically a tool that performs security testing, and this is basically the official page of ZAP, and where we'll be going to know more about the configuration into the ZAP and the prerequisites, and how even a non-security expert person can integrate ZAP into his or her can use ZAP on a web app. So the main thing we should know here is that ZAP performs penetration testing. So it's basically the system undergoes analysis and attack from simulated malicious attackers. So this tool basically takes the pen testing, takes the technique of penetration testing, which is carried out as if the tester was malicious external attacker with the goal of breaking into the system and either stealing data or carrying out some sort of denial of service attack. So let's quickly introducing ZAP. So ZAP is basically a Z attack proxy. It is basically an open source penetration testing tool, which is maintained under the umbrella of Open Web Application Security Project. So now it acts as an intermediate source between the browser and the web application. Now coming on to the installation and configuration of ZAP. So ZAP has an installers for Windows, Linux, Mac OS, etc. However, for Windows, what you have to do is just open this page and you have to download the appropriate installer from the download page. So the download page is basically I'll open the download page and we'll wait a minute. So this is basically the download page for ZAP installer, and a user can install a different version, whether it's Windows 64 or 32-bit. Once it's downloaded, and you will get an executable. You'll run that executable and save wherever you feel like, and once you run the project and once you run the ZAP software, and this such would be a prompt that it would ask whether you have to you'll persist the ZAP session or not. So according to the documentation, it says that no, I do not want to persist the session at this time. Now as soon as the software pop-ups after a successful installation, this would be such dashboard that would open, and we have the menu bar, the toolbar, the tree window, and every detail is written over here. However, so for a non-security expert, a novice user, an automated scan or a manual explore feature is provided by ZAP. And what happened is that it's basically an automated scan. It's an easiest way to start using ZAP via the quick start tab. So here we have the quick start tab, and we'll just click on the button and this window pops up for automated scan. We'll put the URL, that is the cdkeys.com, and just wait a minute. This is basically the automated scan, and this is here it asks that what kind of spider here is basically the bug or the attack, which kind of attack you want to make on the website. So either it's Ajax spider or traditional spider. So as I want to integrate with Chrome, so I'll just attack it. So now the window opens, a Chrome just opens, and the Chrome is being controlled by an automated test software, and the site just gets opened, and see in the background that the URL has been crawled and scanned. So this is the alert feature, and till now there haven't been any alerts. However, the spiders and they are continually, the URLs, all the pages in these websites are continually being scanned for different viruses or bugs or any loopholes. So now we've completed it. Now we'll go into this page, and it says that here we can see that some of the alerts, look, this is cdkeys.com and the get method, and it has a low alert. So basically the tag is that the form password, which basically in the login page, the form and password, where that the get request there has a low alert, a security alert. Similarly, we can see that the set cookies, password, and there are only low alerts, and no such vulnerability as found till now in the scripts of the app. Moreover, we can also perform a manual explore, which is basically another way to use ZAP. Here we'll manually go into the application, and there is an extension of the software. Just wait a minute. So here we can see that a pop-up message comes that welcome to the ZAP HUD. This we can take the tutorial. The tutorial gives more detail on the panels that we have. The site, the start, scan of right. There are two panels on the left hand side and the right hand side. We shall continue to the target, and look at here. We can start at even, and we can get that better the alerts, whether they are low or high. So here we can see that the site alerts, they are low, which is 7 in number. And look, so here we can see that there is an absence of NT CSRF token, the cookie, no HTTP only flag. These are some of the security alerts that are really low on this page. However, there are no medium alerts, there are no high alerts. However, there are almost 7 low kind of alerts, and similarly this is what. However, as soon as I move on to the other pages, I have nothing added in the cart. Now say that so as we come out of the login page, we can start the scan, and browser is Chrome. So as soon as we start, so starts running. So here we get to see that another window pop-ups. So we can see that we can only see the low site alerts. These are basically the security things, and However, to verify that the user has been authorized correctly or not, we have to this can't be automated, or we have to check it through manual verification.